So we're here today to introduce our calamari kit. It's through Goldbelly. It's a fresh calamari. You can take it, cook it in your home. It's a fresh Long Island squid. We cut it, we clean it, we send it to you like this frozen. You defrost it, and it's ready to go. One of the problems that you have is that when the calamari comes, you have to defrost it. One of the mistakes people make is that they bread it when it's too wet. So we suggest taking the package, leaving it in the refrigerator overnight so it dries up a little bit. This way, if it's too wet, when you go to fry it, the coating pops off it, it makes a mess, it doesn't cook properly, there's too much water. So you gotta make them dry a little bit after you defrost them. So you're gonna take the squid, it comes like this, you're gonna put it in the bowl. You're gonna take our coating that we have, open the coating, put that in there, and you're gonna mix it. You wanna make sure it's coated completely, get it fully covered. See how it sticks on there? Even though it wasn't that wet, that's what you wanna be able to do. Now you're gonna take it and you wanna fry it. The other mistake people make is they take it all and dump it all in at once. No good. You gotta put a little bit at a time, because the oil cools off, it gets cold, it's not gonna work. The oil's gotta stay hot. So you gotta just take them and almost just drop them in one at a time. Don't dump them in all together, a little bit at a time. See how nice they fry up? The oil's still hot. They cook nicely. We'll put some legs in there. You'll take them, turn them, but you don't want to move them too much, because if you move them too much, all the breading will come off. So, just turn them. Nice with a little brown again. See how they stay beautifully. See the flour stayed on it, all the breading stayed on it nicely. They're browning up beautifully. Look at that, beautiful golden brown. Just repeat the process. When you get down towards the bottom, make sure you shake off all the excess. And there's your fried calamari from Lenny's Clam. Calamari, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful. Tender, crunchy, like butter.